Morning. Good morning, ma'am. Hi. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, Anne. How are you today?
Bye.
Did you attend yesterday? Eat Pantado? No.
No.
They have an activity yesterday. Actually, it is a 2 days event. So they sent you a message yesterday. Did you not attend? Did you attend yesterday? No. Are you busy yesterday, baby? What did you do yesterday?
I do my homework and play with my friends.
Wow. Okay, nice to see you today, Anne. So my name is Teacher Leah. I am always happy when I see that I have a scheduled class with you. So nice to see you. So are you ready?
Yes.
Did you eat your breakfast?
No.
Not yet. Me too. Okay, let me share my screen with you. So the last lesson that we had was speaking. That's why it's very short. So right now, baby, we're going to have reading and writing. So kindly prepare a piece of paper with you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen. Can you see it? Okay, so let me. Okay, so reading and writing 5 parts. It contains 5 parts. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As usual, it's always the same. The difference is that the type of test is different. Okay. So let's try it. Test 1, reading and writing. Okay, let me test you with reading because your mom told me to practice you on speaking. That's why we're going to practice the reading comprehension. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed with vocabulary words. Can you try to read all of them, Anne?
Careful. Prepare. Mean.
Continue.
Assist.
The last one.
Assist.
Accept.
Accept. Accept. And write. Write.
Okay. Let me reread it. It's careful, careful,
Careful.
repair,
Repair.
mind,
Mind.
baby, mind.
Mind.
Next is accept,
Accept.
break.
Right.
Okay, now, what are the words that you don't understand?
Not work.
All of them, you understand all of the words?
Yes.
Wow. That's why I like you, Anne. You're very good. Okay, now, Anne, I want to have a request. Can you choose one word, only one word from these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from these 5 words, and try to make one sentence.
Repair.
Okay, can you make a sentence for repair?
My mom and dad is repair the car.
Or my mom and dad are, baby are. There are two, right? So my mom and dad are repairing the car. Okay? Or my mom and dad repair the car. Okay, I got your point. Yay. Okay, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, how about this? Simon is shouting. Okay, part 1, questions 1 to 5. For questions 1 to 5, and you're going to mark the correct letter A to H on the answer sheet. Are you ready? So, baby, if you can use the annotate, this one, if you can use the annotate, you can use it. And you can directly answer the question. But if you don't know how to use the annotate, you can write your answer in a sheet of paper. Okay?
Yeah.
We can answer your question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Look, baby. Look, Anne. We can answer your question. Number 1, you can't drive this way. So, as you can see, there are letters A to G. You're going to choose what fits or what is the best answer for question number 1. Like, you can't drive this way. Why do you think you can't drive this way? What do you think? Is it A, adults 2.50 euro, under 12s free, shoes repaired while we wait, mind your head, open 24 hours, waiting room information, police notice, road closed, open daily 10 to 6 except Mondays. Lalaba. Okay, what do you think is the answer?
F.
Yes, it's F. Look, there's another question, baby. The 0 is information. We can answer all your question. Number 1 is F. You can try to write it. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer these questions, okay? Done, baby?
Yes.
Wow, okay. So you can't drive this way is letter, what letter, baby? You're correct in number 1, letter F.
Yes.
Children do not have to pay.
Number 2 is A.
Yes. You can shop here 6 days a week.
Number 3 A. D.
D as in dog or D as in dog?
D. Open 24
Okay.
hours all day.
Let's try it. I can't write it, baby. Be careful when you stand up.
C.
Mind your, wow, yes, correct. And lastly, we work quickly.
G.
I can't write it. Because the mouse is not okay. So E, this is E. F, A. It's G, baby. As you can see, you can shop here 6 days a week. Letter G has off, 1 day off. Okay? And so this is correct. And number 5 is the one that letter B. Ah, no, it's letter D. Number 5. The answer is wrong. The book is wrong. So number 5 is letter D, baby. D as in dog. 24 hours, right? That's why the work is very quick. Okay? Okay, next. Question, baby. Okay, part 2. Question 6 to 10. You're going to read the sentences about a birthday. When is your birthday, baby?
It's on 9 October.
Ah, okay. Choose the best word, A, B, or C for each space. For question 6 to 10, you're going to mark A, B, or C on the answer sheet. Are you ready? Okay, let me put it up. Example, Nina, can you read it, Blake, baby?
Yes. Nina wake up early that morning because it was her birthday.
Yes. Okay, so woke up. It's also correct, the wake up. Okay. So number 1 is, what's that, baby? Stand up, wake up, come up. So what's the answer?
B.
Yes. Okay, now, okay, baby, I'll give you again 5 minutes to answer it, okay? And then you're going to read later. Simon is shouting.
Finish.
Wow. You finish it for two minutes, baby. Number 6, can you read it, baby?
Yeah. Nina was very happy because she got lots of presents.
Okay, next.
She invited some friends to her house for a party.
She invited, baby, invited.
Her mother made a big chocolate cake with happy birthday on the top. B.
Okay, number.
Nina and her friend had a great time singing and dancing and listening to their favorite music.
And lastly,
When they had to go, everybody thank you Nina and her mother for the puppy.
yes, I think you got it perfect, baby. Happy, invited, cake, listening, thank. Again, can you try to read all the answers? Happy, invited.
Happy, invited, cake, listening, thank it.
Okay. Okay. This is, baby, this is very easy for you. Questions 11 to 15. Complete the 5 conversations. For conversations 11 to 15, mark A, B, or C in the answer sheet. Example, how are you? What do you think is the answer?
Letter C.
Yes. I'm fine. Yes. Okay, that's the easiest thing. Okay. Okay, 5 minutes, baby, to answer.
Finish.
Wow. Okay, can you read it? Number 1.
Number 1 is letter A.
Oh, good. It's time for lunch. Can you say it? It's time for lunch. Oh, good. Baby, can you read it?
It's time for lunch. Oh, good.
Wow, very good.
Number 20 is letter C.
What would you like a drink?
C, coffee, please.
Yes.
Next is letter B.
Baby, can you read it?
How much were your new shirt? It were very cheap.
Okay. Number 14.
Letter A.
Number 15.
Number 15 is letter C.
Okay, let's try to read them all again, baby, with baby letter. Okay, let's try it. It's time for lunch. Oh, good. 12, can you read it?
It's time for lunch. Oh, good. Would you like a drink? Coffee, please. How much were your new shirt? It was very cheap. I'm sorry. That's all right. Do you speak English? Only a little.
Yes. Do you speak English? Only a little. Actually, baby, letter C is also correct, but very much, we use very much or much if it involves money, right? Okay, baby, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, this is easy, baby. Are you enjoying? Okay. Complete this conversation at a garage. What does the woman say to the car mechanic? For questions 16 to 20, mark the correct letter A to H on the answer sheet. Okay. Okay, so this, you're going to choose, baby, the answer, okay? Same as part 2. Be careful on reading it, okay?
Finish.
Okay. Can you read, baby? Mechanic, good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam. What's the problem?
What's the problem?
What's the problem? I'm not sure. The brakes are working very well.
Okay, I think that's the problem.
What do you mean? When I brake, the car goes to the left.
Okay. Okay, continue, baby.
I see. We can probably repair that easily. Can you leave the car now? I'm afraid I need it today. How about the weekend? I'm sorry. We completing for on Saturday.
Okay, continue, baby.
Letter 8. Oh, could you do it on Monday? Letter 8.
Okay. What number are you, 18?
Letter 8.
Number 19?
Number 19 is letter D.
Hey, baby, I prefer afternoon.
Number 20 is letter C.
Yes, and okay. Can you read it, baby, and the answer again?
Good morning, Mother. What a problem. I'm not sure the brakes aren't working very well. What do you mean? When I brake, the car goes to the left. I see. We can probably repair that easily. Can you leave the car now? I'm afraid I need it today. How about the weekend? I'm sorry, we completely for on Saturday. Oh, could you do it on Monday? Yes, all right. Could you come in the morning? I'm perfect. I'm perfect. The afternoon. Okay. Oh, what other thing? How much will it cost? I'm not sure, but probably about 30.
Okay, very good, baby. Perfect. Rate the information about 3 books and then answer the questions for questions 21 to 27. Mark A, B, or C, then answer shit. Okay, look. New books this month.
Hard work.
Baby, I'll give you 5 minutes first to read all the 3 books. Okay? The Long Night.
All right, let's change separate. Ma is a nurse in North. What happened?
Okay.
Brilliant.
Okay, now let's proceed. The Long Night, The Hard Work, Hospital, or Cinema. Okay, this is David Riley's first book. David became a writer after teaching English for several years. Okay, did you read them all? Okay, The Long Night, Hard Work, or Cinema. Which book is about who works with doctors?
The Long Night. Letter I.
Yes. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer, baby.
Finish.
What, 21? Read the question, then answer.
I finished it.
Which book? 21?
21 A letter B. Sorry. 21 letter B. Oh yeah.
What letter, baby?
Letter B.
Hold on, baby. Yes, number 22.
Letter B. Letter B.
Which book is about somebody who is very poor? Oh, number 23.
Letter C. 24 E letter C too.
Hey, baby. 25.
Number 25 is letter A. 26 is letter B.
And 27.
The last one is letter C.
Yes. Wow, baby. This lesson is very easy for you. Okay, read the information about schnauzer dogs. Choose the best word A, B, or C. For each space, 28 to 35 for each question, or for questions 28 to 35. Mark A, B, or C. Okay, can you read it, baby? Vocabulary: Germany, ship, intelligent, friendly. Example, A with off in. There are 3 sizes of schnauzer dog.
Wait.
Letter B.
Letter B.
Okay. Number 28. Baby, you're going to answer. These are the choices. How are you going to see? Right? Can you try number 28, baby? What do you think, baby?
From
The 2 smaller sizes.
From 2.
These are the choices, baby. 28.
Letter B.
Hey, baby. How are we going? Hold on. Can you try to read it, baby?
Oh. What is that? A snail? Alive?
It's hard, baby. Hold on. Okay, I will put it as your assignment, baby, okay? I will put it in Zalo, baby, so that you will be having an assignment, okay? Read the description of some words about holidays and travel. What is the word for each description? Ah, okay. Look at this. You need this to travel to some foreign countries. Passport. 37.
37.
You need, can you read it, baby?
Number 27, a ticket.
Yes. 38.
38. Airplane. Last, the suitcase.
Airport number, you put your clothes when you travel. Suitcase, yes. This person likes visiting different places. Train or this person? Travel, tourist. It's okay, baby. Oh, there are many. How is it that there are many questions? Okay, we're not going to continue. There are many. It's supposed to have part 1 to 5 only. Okay, baby. So we're going to continue the lesson on Thursday, right?
Yes.
Okay, so enjoy your, baby, I will put your homework in Zalo, okay? Answer it, okay?
Yeah.
Have a great day. Happy weekend, baby. Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yeah.
Okay, you can take a rest. Bye, baby.
Bye.